Do you recognize that feeling of irritation when you're forced to grow a small account don't pay off? You've employed multiple strategies and still aren't seeing genuine results? This video is for you. Today, I'm gonna unveil the approach that finally put me out of zero and can alter a trajectory too. An exclusive surprise awaits you. Watch the entire video and prepare to be astonished. Now I need to set up an account for work, you guys. First of all, we're gonna choose classic candles and M1 to time frame. Now let's go to indicators. We're gonna use Aroon and Ishimoku Kinko Aroon. Okay, that's two indicators. So let's go right now to set up that. Click on pane, edit 20 and 50. Okay, this style I'm gonna choose blue, 2 second span A and B. Click on save. And now Aroon 20, alright, and the style, that's up to you if you want to change this. Alright, to thickness, blue, yellow, and save. Now it's more convenient to make work that way. Alright, my friends, great, the account is ready to work. It's very simple. Let's do this. I agree, this looks difficult. It's look very difficult, but wait, my friends. Now I show you everything step by step. So $20, and we're gonna click on sell button. My forecast that the price will decrease. The expiration time of the trade, we're gonna use 5 minutes. And I press the ready button. In this trade session, to work with these indicators, you need to do everything according to the instruction. And the first step is to find a good candle pattern for the signal. I just look at the different currencies. Solid currency, live currency, so to see stock and look for the right moments. I need to identify and find a moment when the candles will completely cross outside the channel, this blue channel, okay? When you have this crossing line. For example, here I see a local downward trend. That is a downtrend. The channel is broken with this red candles right here and continue to fall. Look at this. At this point, I quickly check every indicator and look for the intersection of the lines on the arrow. Okay? When the yellow and blue line must enter, and it's important that this already happened. We have to do and we have to pay attention on the intersection of these lines. Okay, this way I work in direct of the trend and open a trend downwards. I remind you that the time for the trade is 5 minutes. Later, I will explain where the times work best and how to choose the right settings. Now let's look at the situation and wait for the results. I hope it will be a profit and I will be able to grow my account today. Okay, let's wait for that together. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. The trade is profitable and there are already $43 in my account, guys. I have almost doubled my capital in one trade and now it is time to continue. Let's try to identify another good opportunity and another entry. Alright? Well, folks. For example, I found another similar situation. All the details are very similar to the last trade. So once again, we'll open a trade down. It's time. The amount trade will be $10. The expiration time again, 5 minutes. The expiration time again, okay? So pay attention on that. The signal is very similar. The situation is completely duplicated. Guys, it's important to note that this is just one of the strategies that can change your trajectory in this market. To become a professional, mastering the most profitable strategies is key. But don't worry, I've prepared two exclusive pieces of content that will be crucial for your growth. Stick with me until the end of the video and enjoy it. As you can see, guys, the trade is very similar to the last one. All indicators get a signal correctly, but in this situation, lose money. Yeah, friends, there's a lose signal. This always happens. And now we will try to explain to you why it happened and how to do with it. Okay? So let's continue and try to identify another one. And so guys, the next blue channel is broken. The everyone line crosses a couple of minutes ago, and this means I see a new signal here. The green candles are moving up, so I press the green button to open a trade high. Okay, and so one of the most interesting secrets of this strategy is the warm of the channel. Yeah guys, in order to avoid an unprofitable and fake situation as the previous one, you need to learn how to check the size of the blue channel. Sometimes a wider blue channel is good, sometimes not, but try to take a good one, a warm one. Remember, the large and the wider blue channel, so that Ishimoku the more likely to find a profitable situation. In the last trade, the blue channel was weak and small, and because of that, the signal was fake. Okay, here I see that the blue channel is crazier bigger, and therefore it's safe. Yeah guys, in general, the size of the blue channel is a good check for the signal. So try to look a wider blue channel to perform your entries. Remember that. Okay, always pay attention to it and don't forget about it. That's very important. Try to avoid that situation. And let's wait the results. 3 minutes 40 seconds remaining. Okay, let's wait for that. Oh yeah, and look at this guys, $21, a net profit in 5 minutes, in the total $44. I have recovered the loss from the previous trades. It's very cool result, but I haven't reached my goal and for that session yet, so let's move on to the next one. Look at this guys, $40 the final trade. Let's do it together, and if it's going to be a profit, I sum it up. There is a promise that I always want to tell you how to choose the expiration time. For example, now I'm using 5 minutes for a trade, but you can choose a different time frame and work on a different time. For example, if your time frame is 5 minutes, you can open trade for 10 or 20 minutes. If your time frame is 5 seconds, you can open trade for 1 or 2 minutes if you want it. In general, these indicators work on any time, so you can experiment and try different options. Alright? And once again, let's wait for the results, guys. 4 minutes remaining. Okay? Let's hope that it will be a profit one. Let's wait for that. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. To be honest, that was a bit stressful, but it's trade make profits, guys. That was amazing. Look at this. The analysis was done correctly and it is great results. I was able to increase my account to almost $82. Guys, I haven't shown you that is real and you can work with any deposits, right? Look at that, $81.36. Your opinion about the strategies in the comments is very interesting for me. I really appreciate it that you do that. So right now, wish you good profits. I wish you a good trade session. With good indicators, big profits, and wish you good luck. And see you guys in the next video, in the next session, in the next live. Okay? Have a good day. Bye bye, guys. See you.